minor lost coordinates. We found them. Look at that in the background. Look at that sound lighting up. Now we'll get some action. Going for the big finger first. Oh, what? I just got eaten on the drop.
Oh, true, gee.
Yeah, very. It's a long tail, just being dogged and stubborn. Grab the leader and dong his nose into the bow, into the side of the boat, and he'll stop. 50.
Hang on, you won't even get anywhere near the bottom.
Did you get mackoed, Vic? Oh, dirty bastards. That's why you don't come here in winter. Up it, H-y, up him! Oh, H, keep going.
You're really blowing the butt off something now.
Oh, I'm on 2. Mine's only a rat. How you doing, H? I'll get sharp. Watch H. I've got a smallmouth nanny. On the light jig.
There we go, Stern.
Now it's happening.
See the shark follow on that one?
What you got there, H? Little GT. Look at that sounder. It's lit up like a bloody Christmas tree. Look at it.
As soon as you get down, eh? Yeah, man.
Oh, he's going.
No vibrations.
Oh, didn't know I was in gear. Trav.
Decent one, Bill.
Nice.
I know, I've actually got like excitement and anticipation about my next drop.
What you want? Getting railed there, Longy. I'm going to the light rod next. Oh no. Look at the fruit down there now. Longy's into it. Jesus, bro. Oh no, he's going right. You want H reverse?
Yeah, reverse.
Reverse H. Big stink tuna.
Dirty dog.
Phew! Woo. Nice one. Oh, Victor.
Got the AK.
It's all happening now.
Oh, it's a good one.
Yep. On the way up the bugger. P3 combo. The light stuff. Always the light stuff. That's one H. What you got, H? Whoa, shit, I'm falling.
Oh, I might have to put it right down. Is it not going on with me?
Got him up yet, H?
It's a big battle.
Got a colour?
Yep. We'll have a look at it now. Let's go again. Look at that rod though.
Shrimp too.
Indeed.
Oh!
Nice. Good
That
fish.
guy out. Stand by the tail. Yeah. Alright, let's go. I'll trust mine. Whichever one you are. Alright.
Here we go again.
Oh, yeah.
I saw that. He was on that like way early. Bottom H.
What the fuck are you doing, fish?
have had my lure on the bottom for substantially longer than people thought. It drop down, it's gone yes.
Oh, HE, yeah. Now I'm right next to you. Oh, look at it go. Nice one, H. Light jigger from way back, mate. Yep.
Oh, he's back there.
There's the shark after him again. Nice one, H.
He's a better one.
And nice one, mate. On the jig, over the wreck, loving it.
Can't pull your pants up, H.
Yeah. Oh, HE. And HE has got something.
Maybe that was dumb and don't worry. I'll throw a fish at you, mate.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Oh, it's right, catch fish. I'll do it next time we move.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's right under there too, the bastard. Get out front of the boat, you bastard. Oh man, he's going right under. Oh, something have a swipe at him. Yep. I was right on the bottom, that. Oh no, that's so under there, it's not funny. Oh, it's on the prop already, it's gone. Oh no, it come off the prop. Yes, it was on the prop or something at one point. Let him go! Oh yeah. They don't give up, the old coves, eh?
Yeah, baby. How good was that streak across the back?
That was madness.
You actually got airborne.
Little bugger. That was awesome, skimming across the back. Sick.
Go away, Longy. There's some good ground at the start there. Yeah.
That's it, H. Get on it, H.
You've got to get aggressive.
Go, Longy.
Oh, he's doing that.
Oh.
Oh, it's a good one, man.
What do you got, Longy? Oh.
Reach me, man. He was just too big again. That's 4 in a row.
Lunch of champions. Yep.
Yep, he's happy. Load up his dog. Go the other way. Go the other way. You fucking do wild between bites. Did that just happen?
Yeah.
Oh, good fuck.
Go on to squid lips, Victor. Oh, they look alright, eh? See how they go. Yep. That's a good one. I can't get a wind on him.
That's the way, Liam. You know, you're gonna fucking break his leg. Look at him. Look at him, bro. Just away. Fucking hurt him. Yeah. He's got his weaknesses.
Man. Oh no.
That explains a lot.
Half a trevally. Good one.
I haven't given him a limit yet. Oh, he's got his taser. He's got a huge shark. Oh, you panicking,
Yeah, he's not happy, that guy. Oh yeah! I got something. Come here.
son.
Oh no.
Oh, longy. Don't step away from the side of the boat, mate. Good thing, I mean, remove the fish from the equation will help us, eh? Yeah, you're a good fish. Thanks, mate.
Whew.